UAA stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onwards. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be breaking that down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Especially looking at this thing now, 18% correction is tough. But guess who was here looking to take it further down if there was a second break? That's me. Here's the proof. Yeah, look at this thing, mate. Like, it was sitting at 683 at the time, 22 hours ago. And I mean, all I can tell you is that pre-market was 683. I called it out right there. And then we just opened right here. Now, the biggest factor with UAA is that, I mean, I'm just still looking for the lows to get cleared. But for me to be bullish, the price must start breaking about 750. And where there's such a big discrepancy between where we're now and then. I'm not going to assume stuff. Still mainly going to wait for the rules to be met, but for me, just a bearish market, and it's not forever, it's only for now. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.